Now behind me is the most overkill, unique, one of its kind, definitely one of its kind PC that we ever built, because this is completely liquid cooled, including VRM, including chipset, SSD, also of course processor भी. It has 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, 5200 Dominator series of memory from Corsair, जो कि अपने आप में एक extinct species है, इंडिया में मिलता नहीं आसानी से. It has the RTX 3090 from ASUS, जिसको हमने liquid cool किया है नया ब्लॉक बिठा के, also 12900K. मतलब from a spec point of view, you probably cannot get better than this. And finally, the only motherboard in India, Z690 Extreme Glacial, ये एक ही बोर्ड आया, specially ये build के लिए आया. Thank you ASUS for that. Fittings, distro and everything else is from EK water blocks. Now we are not even going to talk about performance, because let's face it, इससे अच्छा performing कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. You cannot possibly build a better system than this. This, by the way, is shipping all the way to Selum in Tamil Nadu. Do get in touch with us if you're planning to build something like this, or anything really, because we build all kinds of PCs and ship it across India with a 2-year warranty. And yeah, because we're awesome. Thanks for watching.